John is a young man that has a horrible attention span. He can barely focus for 10 minutes. When he's talking to someone, 20 seconds after the conversation, he's in his thoughts thinking about something else. He also wonders why he cannot focus at all. But then, he watches Sharp-Minded's new video. You have a horrible attention span. Here's how to fix it. He paid attention, and that video changed his whole life. After watching his video, his attention span skyrocketed. He went from 20 seconds to an hour, which is a big improvement. The number one reason why we have a horrible attention span nowadays is because of social media. Instagram Reels, YouTube Shorts, TikTok, and Snapchat. These social media companies have messed up your attention span so much. You just keep on scrolling and scrolling and scrolling and scrolling for like hours. Be honest, don't say to me,
"Oh, Sharp-Minded, it's only 1 hour."
Stop lying. More like 6. These companies are frying your attention span. Before we get into the video, I have a question to ask. How was your day? Because I really care for you guys. Answer in the comments below. Sorry for wasting your time. Pay attention. Let's get into the video. There are 2 tactics that I found most valuable to increase your attention span. 1. Meditation, and 2. Staring at an object. Number 1. Meditation. Now you guys probably heard of the concept meditation, but you don't really think about it, do you? And for the people that don't know what meditation is when you sit down in the room and focus on the breath. Or really, just anything. Just focus on that single thing. Now you guys might think this is stupid, me saying meditate, but guys, this works and increases your awareness. Your mind is so powerful that you can have anything you want. As long as you have a strong mindset, you can achieve it. I want you to meditate for 5 minutes, not 10 minutes, not 30 minutes, 5 minutes. Focus on your breathing. And soon you'll notice that your attention span will increase. If 5 minutes is too easy for you, then 10 minutes, then 15 minutes, then 20 minutes, and so on. Number 2. Staring at an object. This exercise relies on you to stare at an object, a dot, or whatever it can be. Just focus on that object. Set a timer to see how long you can focus on that object. My high score is 2 minutes and 20 seconds of recording this video. I find these exercises extremely goal setting because my goal is to beat that 2 minutes and 20 seconds. Once I beat that, then I can beat the next time, and the next time, and the next time, and so on. Now you know how to increase your attention span. At first, you think that I'm just a crazy weirdo on the internet telling you to meditate for 5 minutes and stare at an object. But trust me, this works. It really does. You'll start to notice some of the results of the progress you made. Make sure to like and subscribe if you got any value from this video, and also hit that little bell to be notified. This is the end of this video. Thanks for watching.